So today I'm replacing all three hinges of this door without taking the door off. I'm starting with the middle hinge.
This is being replaced with a nickel finish. Now, these are clearly different. So one of these has a rounded edge, and this has two squared edges. So I'm going to cut out some of the wood in the jamb. I'll show you how to do that. What I'm going to use is a hammer and a chisel. That's kind of it. That's just, you can just use the chisel. Make sure your chisel's sharp. If it's not very sharp, it's not going to do much. You just square it off like that. Go with each angle, and then kind of go up or down and cut that piece out. I think that should do it. Put that down for now. Make sure when you're putting these on, make sure this is the top where the pin goes in, and the head of the pin is pointing up. I'm gonna pre-drill these because the holes are a little different.
So the holes didn't line up perfectly, so I had to pre-drill them. Make sure when you pre-drill, try to drill the dead center of the hole. Otherwise, when you screw in the screw, it's going to shift towards the direction of the hole. So try to get to the dead center. So the cutouts weren't perfect, so I had to saw part of the door. I'm talking like um, a very thin part. I used a handsaw to do that, and it was pretty simple, and it worked well. So obviously went to the top first and the bottom. I don't know if it really matters. You can go either way. Just go one at a time, and you should be fine.
Moment of truth. All three hinges are in. Yep, that'll work. Okie dokie. I like it.